He's gonna hit you. Oh yeah. Oh.
Trying to make yourself a target?
Yeah, for Adrian.
For Adrian.
He's gonna hit you.
He's staring at me. He waved back though. My game was made.
He's gonna hit you.
And yet he's waving a red flag.
No, he was all the way at the end. You'll see him. He'll pop his head back out unless he's like, fuck him, and he's going in the woods.
Fuck him.
He got my range. You see him right in that corner?
Yeah, blue building down,
Yeah,
down to the right.
Go across.
Go, pass there.